The Vesak is coming on the 16th May, so Monday in India, and that is morning time. 9:44 is the peak time. Okay, early morning 9:44. So mostly early morning people will start with the purification exercise, all of that, and 9:44 पे आपको sure होना है कि आप उस समय meditation में है. So if you're going to do the twin hearts meditation, then what you have to do, you have to do your meditation start a little before 9:44, so that 9:44 ke time pe you are in that peace period, the silence period. All right, there are a lot of group links and all which is available, so that you can join those online for the Vesak meditation. Many of you आप आश्रम जा रहे होंगे, या तो फिर आपको यहाँ पे भी जो प्राणिक हीलिंग फाउंडेशन ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया है महाराष्ट्र का, आप वहां जा सकते हैं. That is all about the day of Vesak. Before Vesak, यानी अभी हमारे पास थोड़े दिन बचे हैं, so there are some ways of purification. Let me show you what you can do quickly. We're not going to use a lot of time on that because I would like to do more of the goal setting. Okay, one second. Yeah. All right. So how we can prepare for the event? These are a few of the things that you can do. You can keep your diet simple, more or less vegetarian. If you're not vegetarian, try कि आप थोड़े दिन अभी vegetarian ही खाना खाए. If possible for your body, take a daily salt bath with some drops of lavender and rose oil. ये अगर आपके पास है तो you can just put a few drops in the water and take a bath. Practice as diligently as possible a deeper purification in thoughts, in speech, and in actions. Yani, you have to watch your behavior in every possible way. Try to keep your daily schedule of meditations. Prepare an area in your house that will be the meditation setting. With pictures, it should be clean on all levels. If possible, start the purification of the area some days before using incense and Om. So Om जो मंत्र है, मास्टर कहते हैं कि इससे आप जिस जगह पे भी उसको प्ले करते हो, the space gets purified. So you can use that from now itself in the area where you're going to meditate on the Vesak day. All right, so this is Om. This you can use even regularly. आप regularly incense यानी अगरबत्ती लगा सकते हैं, Om chanting कर सकते हैं, या Om recording लगा सकते हैं. Prepare your plans and goals ready for blessing. This we are going to do today. Now, this is for the ceremony. मतलब वो था पहला वाला जो हमने देखा, वो था how you prepare from now onwards. And this is for the day of the event. Like we said, peak time is 9:44. Wear something white or at least light colored. Prepare in a side of the room all the items and projects you would like to bless during the celebration. Means हम आज जो बना रहे हैं उसको आपको ready रखना है for blessing, okay, on the day. Find the most comfortable position to handle a long meditation. The next is for Arhatic yogis. Keep your blue triangles close and ready for the practice. Keep a spray alcohol, lavender and tea tree. So if हम purifications कर रहे हैं, आप बीच में healing करने वाले हैं, तो then you keep all this. And the last is, if you're doing an online meditation, keep your internet ready. So, okay. Does that give you a fair idea of how you're going to prepare for the occasion? What we are going to do is we have put on our website a few things like how to prepare. You can download easily from there. Our website is pranichealingindia.in. उस पे आप जाके there are a few things that I'm going to share today which are available for download on the website. तो आप बाद में जाके उसको download कर सकते हैं. Now, let's come to the important part of goal setting, because whatever we do in life, there is always something that we are looking forward for, right? हमें हमेशा कहीं पहुंचना है, कहीं कुछ achieve करना है. There is always a purpose, no, for all of us to do something. So when the full moon comes, it is said that Buddha comes down on the Wesak full moon day for 8 minutes. It comes closest to the earth's surface that time. Throughout the year में जो बुद्धा की एनर्जी एंड गॉड्स की एनर्जी आती है, उसमें से इस दिन द लॉर्ड कम्स नियरेस्ट टू द प्लैनेट फॉर हाउ मेनी मिनट्स? 8 मिनट्स, रफली 8 मिनट्स है. स्पेशली द पीक टाइम के आसपास वो होता है. सो ऐसे टाइम पे अगर आपके प्लान्स रेडी है, आपके माइंड में इट इज वेरी क्लियर ऑफ व्हाट यू वांट टू अचीव फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 year or 2 years or 5 years, whatever your plan is, then the energy can be directed there directly. All right. पर अगर आपको पता ही नहीं है कि हमें क्या करना है, मुझे क्या चाहिए लाइफ में, या नेक्स्ट 1 साल में मुझे क्या अचीव करना है, then the energy will still come down, but it will not be going to a specific target, so it will get distracted, it will get what you like you call, it will get wasted partially. All right, so that is why, first of all, today what we are going to do is understand first the attitude with which we are going to write these goals down. I'm going to share a very simple, a very nice story with all of you.